Hey everybody, John Locke here, and today I've got this Master Lock number 150 in the vise. This is a lock that I've never picked before, and yeah, I just wanted to give it a shot. I've got a list of all the locks from the LPU belt ranking system on my website, johnlockpicking.com, and there I've got a list of all the ones that I've picked and still have to pick. So I noticed that there are quite a few popular locks, especially at the lower belt levels, that I've just never tried, and they're available here, and wanted to give some of them a shot. So here I am with the 150. Never picked this one before on or off camera, so just giving it a little shot. Decided to fire up the camera and see if I can get an open. Yeah, I'm also testing a new camera angle, kind of the over the shoulder style shot. Let me know what you think. Do you like this this angle better? Usually I'm shooting more kind of eye level with the lock, I would say, on a little mini tripod. This one I've got the camera kind of above where I'm working. Yeah, just playing around, seeing what I like, but very interested to hear what you like, if you like this angle. What else can I say? Well, it's been an interesting week. Hope it's been a good week for you. For me, a little bit of a mixed bag. I was supposed to go on a work trip tomorrow, Friday, but it got canceled last minute because of COVID. Yeah, I was going to go to the VUS. It's not that I'm so upset about missing my work trip. It's I was also going to visit my 95-year-old grandparents during this trip, and also visit some friends. And yeah, I haven't seen any of those people since the summer, so I was kind of looking forward to that. Also, I have a bunch of lock picking stuff and that I'd all had sent to my buddy in the US that I was going to pick up, and I guess that will just have to stay with him until I'm able to make the trip. So disappointed about that, but you know, there is a big silver lining. Is I was going to miss my daughter's 7th birthday, not her birthday party, but her actual birthday. I wasn't going to be here for. We had a video call scheduled to set up and everything, so I could at least talk to her and spend some time with her on her birthday, but definitely wasn't going to be the same as being with her. And now she is really ecstatic that I'm going to be home on her birthday. So I think the dads out there will all know, making your kids happy is pretty priceless. So that's the good news. But my grandparents, they're old, and I would really like to be able to get a visit, because the last time I saw them was August. What else? Well, today's a holiday day here in Germany. It's Three Kings Day or Epiphany Day. To be honest, I don't really know what those holidays are. I just know I get them off of work. And actually, I said it's a holiday in Germany. It's not a holiday in Germany. It's a holiday in Bavaria specifically. In Germany, we have both federal holidays or countrywide holidays, but then each state has a handful of state holidays. And I think there are a few states in Germany that take this day off, but not too many. I think in Bavaria they tend to have a couple extra kind of religious holidays that not all of Germany takes off. But I'm super happy to have any day off work, so that's nice for me. Another interesting thing about holidays in Germany, if a holiday happens to fall on a weekend, in the US, your employer typically gives you the 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 Monday or the Friday closest to the holiday off, to observe that holiday, to get that day off work. In Germany, if a holiday falls on a weekend, it's just tough luck. You don't get anything extra. You don't get the day off during the week to make up for it. But Germany, you get a ton of vacation time. You get a good amount of holidays, no matter if you miss one or two or not, because they fall on the weekend. You get pretty much unlimited sick leave. So, yeah, it's definitely a minor trade-off, but it's just interesting to me, those kind of differences, or business culture differences or cultural differences. So thought that was interesting. Guys, I am shocked. I thought this would be a 30-second pick, and I'm still going at it. I'm not quite sure what's holding me up here. Maybe it's because I'm doing so much talking that I'm not really paying attention to what I'm doing. But I really thought I would stick a pick in here and 30 seconds later it would be open. So let's take some inventory here of what's going on. Okay, two felt like it was binding. I got a little click. Let's go back to one. One seems like it's binding now. Come on, get your pick on it. Okay, one was fine, one was loose. Two, I just got a little click on. Okay, one's binding. Okay, I got a little rotation on one. I think one is all the way set. Okay. I think two is set. I think three is set. Or maybe I have too much tension, could be. You got a little click there on four. Let's go back and touch all of them. Yeah, one feels good. Two. Okay, I had very heavy tension, so I'm gonna let up on tension now. I'd say medium heavy tension first. See if I get anything that way. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get a medium. Ooh, maybe I was stuck in a serrated there. Got a lot of movement on two. Interesting. And now three. Okay. Wow, I didn't expect serrated in here. Maybe some spools, yes, but that was kind of unexpected. Okay. I have to say that I'm really, really shocked. This lock's giving me a lot more trouble than I was anticipating. So let's see. here. Like I said, I was really not expecting to run into trouble here. And I'm really shocked. You know, especially with master locks, everybody's like, oh, they're so easy, they're so easy. It puts so much pressure to open them, you know, to have easy opens. I feel like it's, well, it's not always like that. Okay, got a good bit of core movement there. Ooh, what did I do? I lost it somehow. I don't know if... There we go, got it open. Wow, guys, I did not expect such a long pick there, but happy to get the open. And now I'll get to cross this one off the list. Well, guys, I hope you have a good rest of your day, good rest of your week, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.